In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can zoom your screen on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So we just need to simply look at our keyboard and then locate the Windows key and the plus sign key together. Again, locate the Windows key and the plus sign key together. So press the Windows key and the plus sign key together. And this magnifier will appear from here. So in order to zoom your windows, you will have this plus sign symbol. Okay. And you can just simply drag your mouse to anywhere on your windows to zoom something. Okay, like that. You just need to move your cursor to zoom something on your windows. Okay, you can also increase it from here like that. If you want to decrease it, you can also decrease that from here. Okay, and if you want to close it, simply click on this close symbol. So that's it. That's how you can zoom in your windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.